Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to add calendar in Google Sheets mobile. So let's begin. As you can see, I'm currently in Google Sheets and now I'm going to select a column. So this is my date column, and to make this column my date column, I'll click on the triple dot right over here, and then I will click on data validation. After that, we can select the criteria. From criteria, I will select date is valid, and then I will click on save. So now if I click on any of the cell from this column, as you can see, I have clicked on this cell, and then if I click value over here, I will have the calendar button, and which will allow me to pick a date. So I can pick any date right now, and I can click OK, and here we go, we have a date. So instead of date, if you add any other value over here, then it will show a red mark right over here which says that this cell content violates its validation rule. So if you want to remove the data validation, then you can select the entire column again, and then click on three dots, go to data validation again, and click on remove rule right over here, and your data validation rule will be removed. And after that, you will not be able to find the calendar icon when you are editing a cell. So guys, that's how you can add calendar in Google Sheets mobile. If you found this video helpful, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos like these.